All right, everybody, here you see your core bites number 47. So let's take a look and make sure you make your changes on your paper. Number 1, Jennifer uses 2 cups of flour to make 36 cookies. How much flour does she need to make 6 dozen cookies? Okay. All right. So 1 dozen is 12. So if she's making 6 dozen, we've got to see how many total that is. So she has 6 dozen, so that's 6 times 12. So you might know this one in your head because of your 6s or your 12s. So the answer would be 72 cookies, all right? She can do 36 cookies with 2 cups of flour. So if you divide 72 by 36, what times 36 gives you 72? The answer is 2. So she can do 2 groups of 36. So if she has 2 cups, she needs 2 groups. That would be 2 times 2, which would give her 4 total cups to make 72 cookies, because if she can do 36 cookies with 2 cups, she's got to do 36 more cookies to make 72. So that's how we get the 4 cups. Okay? Then for your missing number, we're going to do some multiplication. So 2 times 5 is 10. Regroup. 2 times 9 is 18, plus 1 is 19. Regroup. 2 times 8 is 16, plus 1 is 17. So your missing number is 1,790. For number 3, we're looking at fractions. If 3/10 is equal to 30/100, find the sum of 3/10 and 3/100. So what you have to do is, if you know that 3/10 is 30/100, right? And so you would change it here to 30/100 because 3/10 equals that, because you want your denominator to be the same, plus 3/100. They have the same denominator, so in addition, you just bring that denominator over, and then you add the numbers on top. So 30 plus 3 gives you 33/100. And what we did, guys, is we took that and made it this. That's how I got that first number. All right, number 4, angles. So what fraction of a turn is this angle? Think of a clock, okay? So if this was the full clock, or if you think of a compass, right, it is only 1/4 of that. So that's also a fraction. So this would be 1/4 of a turn, because you only have 90 degrees each time to make that turn. And if you add 90 4 times, that's going to give you a full 360, right? And then your last one, a triangle with at least 2 congruent sides is called a what triangle? Here it gives it away. It says A-N, and you can only do that if the next letter begins with a vowel, A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y, right? So the answer is isosceles. Let me make sure I spelled it right. Isosceles. Okay, so it should be I-S-O-S-C-E-L-E-S. Isosceles. So I'm going to try my best to draw one. But basically, these 2 sides would be the same, and that's how you know it would be an isosceles triangle. All right, guys, make your notes.